origami chocolates, and so let's begin. So first take a paper which measures 9 into 9 centimeter. We are going to fold this. Now we are going to fold this one at the opposite side and we are going to stick it. Now we are going to fold it and fold it once more. After drawing the rectangle, now we are going to cut it. Now let's make its eyes. Now take white paint and fill its eyes. Now after decorating its face, now take a white thread and cover its edges. After you tie this part, now add your chocolates and tie this area. And our chocolate is ready. And that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and for now, bye.